I recognized the pressing need to change. My excess weight was not just a number, but a burden affecting my health, confidence, and overall happiness. This realization sparked a commitment in me, a pledge to prioritize my health and well-being. I started paying attention to what I was consuming rather than eating without thought. This conscious effort transformed my relationship with food. I became aware of my eating habits, understood my triggers for overeating, and began making informed decisions about portions and quality of food. I steered clear from the allure of fad diets and restrictive eating plans. Instead, I welcomed nutrient-rich foods into my daily meals: fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. By choosing wholesome, unprocessed foods and reducing processed, high-calorie foods, I was able to enjoy flavorful meals while providing my body with the nourishment it needed. Interestingly, I didn't include any exercise or gym sessions in my weight loss journey. While physical activity is undoubtedly beneficial, I found that focusing on diet and mindful eating was sufficient for substantial weight loss. This experience toppled the myth that exercise is a must for weight loss, underscoring the importance of nutrition and weight management. Weight loss is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and resilience. I stayed committed to my goals, maintained my healthy habits, and pushed through challenges. A long-term mindset was key, focusing on sustainable changes rather than quick fixes. Even though I have achieved significant weight loss, I understand that this is an ongoing process. The simple choices I've made continue to guide me, even if the pace of weight loss has slowed down. I remain committed to my health and well-being, confident of continued progress towards my ultimate goals. Losing 120 pounds without drugs, surgery, or fad diets, and without stepping foot in a gym is a testament to the transformative power of mindful and healthy lifestyle changes. Through mindful eating, making smart decisions, and staying consistent, anyone can embark on a successful weight loss journey. Remember, it's not about the quick fix, but the sustainable changes that make all the difference.